noticing now what?
Alright, I have to go to my job delivering pizzas, alright?
Why can't you get a real job, you lazy sack?
I'm the one who bought the house. You should be paying rent.
Well, at least I actually try to find a good job.
You know, just go take a nap. I'm gonna go.
I'm going. See ya.
Alright, bye.
Can't handle this. Get a real job, go.
Shut up. Hello, are you?
My chick bad, my chick hood, my chick do stuff.
Pizza. Thank you. Take the change. Keep the change. Come on, it's been an hour. This body's still there. Oh, hold on. I gotta dispose of it now. Oh. What if this fatty has been eating? Super pizza guys. They don't know how to get a real job like me. Killer. Ah, move. It's been an hour. How are you still here? Oh, you're fat. No, now I'm gonna get the shovel. Oh, I'll just leave him there. He's in the dirt. Dirt will cover him up someday. Maybe tomorrow. Hopefully the cops don't come though.